In this tutorial video, we will teach you how to register in NPSC portal. Go to NPSC portal and click on Register. And enter your email. Reconfirm your email address. Enter your phone number. Click on Get OTP. An OTP will be sent to your phone for authentication. Enter the OTP code. Enter your desired username. Enter your password. Make sure your password meets the required policy. Refer the instruction given on the right panel. Enter the CAPTCHA code. Now click on Register to complete your registration. A confirmation message will be shown. Next step is to activate your user account. Please note that account will not be functional if it is not activated. You will receive an email for activation of your user account. If the activation email is not in the inbox, do check your spam or junk box. Click on Activate Account. Alternatively, you can use the URL to activate your account. It will now redirected to user dashboard. Your account is successfully activated. That is the complete process of registration. That is all for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.